In this video, I'll be showing you how to make audio public on Roblox. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing that you want to do is go over to your browser of choice. I'll be using Google Chrome. Just type in Roblox and go ahead and open it up on the browser version. From here, you're going to see all the different games, anyone that you've added, anything like that. But on the top, you're going to see Marketplace and Create. So go ahead and click on the Create button. Now, from here, all you want to do is go ahead and go to creations on the left. Once you're in creations, go to development items like so, and then go to the audio tab, which is the third one. As you can see, I already have one right here, but you can upload an asset. It's 20 megabytes max, and these are the file formats you can do. So you can do the normal ones like MP3, OGG, FLAC, and WAV. I'd definitely recommend doing waveform if you can, just because it's the best audio quality. But let's say once you go ahead and upload it, you're going to see permissions. So what you're going to have to do is you can add experiences if you want to and make it public. But if you want to go to distribution and if you want to make it public in that sense, you're going to have to basically submit for review. So you have to submit the music for review. It's going to say prerequisites. If not ID verified, please refresh the page once verification is complete. So you have to be ID verified, and then you just have to agree to these different terms like so. Once you check everything, then you could go ahead and press submit. And that's it. It says to publicly distribute audio, you will need to fulfill prerequisites and agree to our terms of use. So yeah, once they do the check, normally takes like 24 to 48 hours, your music can be public, and it's as simple as that.